Question, boss. Are overalls a requirement on this job?
They are. You need to put yours on. Safety first.
Safety first. Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on finishing up the pump house. As you remember in our last video, we tore down the old pump house and we rebuilt a smaller version out of the scrap lumber from the old pump house. Today we're going to be working on insulating and blocking up at the top where the roof meets the walls and getting it ready for winter.
We're also going to be putting our corner pieces on for the corners of the shed, and trying to do something a little bit different with the door, just so it can shut properly
and seal a little bit better.
Yeah.
Because the weather forecast is showing that the rest of this week the evenings are going to be well below freezing. So we want to get this accomplished fast, and we have rain coming tomorrow and a lot of it.
Right.
So we're going to try to get this done today and get it finished up.
All right, let's get it.
So tell me again why you're tearing apart the pump house we just built.
I had to cut this off. It was hanging down right here. The board to sit on top of this board right here, and it's because it didn't look right. It still doesn't look right, but it's a pump house.
Are we working on the corner pieces first?
Yeah, I gotta see if I got a piece of wood over here. Don't mind the farm van. It stays in the way all the time.
I like that minivan. Ain't no shame in my game. What's happening, Chief?
Probably should put this piece across here before I build this piece here to go there. Cause make it a little easier. I think I'm just gonna come across here with a board, and that'll seal up here, here, and there, and just nail it right straight to these 2 or 4 rafters that I got in there. I think that's going to be probably the easiest way to do it, and that way it'll box this in anyway. You know, just takes you a minute. After you get your tools all set out, it takes you a minute to get in the groove of things. And once you're in the groove of it, you can rock and roll.
So at what point do we get in the groove?
I started about 30 minutes ago. You still ain't got there yet.
More coffee, please. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, where's your safety goggles?
The kids run off with them a while ago.
I don't think this is going to be OSHA approved.
Time out.
Ah, yes. The trusty pencil sharpener.
That's right.
So while Jason's getting a load of dirt, I'm gonna go ahead and start insulating this side over here. And then when he's done patching and filling this side where the gaps are, we'll start insulating that side. So what we've got inside the pump house is we've got two different types of insulation that we're gonna be using. We've got insulation board that we're gonna cut to fit some of these, probably the larger pieces. And then we also have the regular insulation that we're gonna use as well. We got to try to cover up some gaps and some holes first, and figure out how to, I guess, close it in a little better. So we're inside the pump house right now, and there are some gaps that we're going to work on. We have a big gap down here at the bottom. It's mainly because the concrete is just not even. So we're going to fill this with dirt, and then we're going to fix these gaps along here, and then get ready to insulate. Oh, it's all wet. No. Water has gotten into this. Oh man. So I had the insulation sitting in here like this, and I just went to move it, and there's water. There's water gushing out of it. I mean, it's full of water. I guess at some point rain has gotten in here because we took too long to seal it up, I reckon. This is no good. I got a problem.
What?
That insulation's all wet, the whole roll of it. Yes. soaking wet.
Now what?
Well, I guess our day just got a little bit longer.
Or shorter.
A few more?
Not yet. So obviously, this isn't the neatest job that we have done, but we had just enough insulation left over in our shed from a previous project that we were able to finish the walls. So the walls are completely insulated. It's not pretty, but it is done. So now on to sealing and fixing the door and putting dirt around the bottom, the base of the pump house. After months of little to no rain, we finally got some. With that comes more chores. The chickens' temporary coop had turned to mud and muck, so we added a thick layer of straw. This is a good reminder that we need to get their permanent coop finished soon. Until then, we'll have supervised adventures in the yard.